every 4 years ki one day add అవుతుంది. That day added to which month? February 29. So called as Olympics, other name as leap year games or summer Olympics. Olympics, summer Olympics, leap year games, only one. Winter Olympics, another game. Youth Olympics, another game. Which organization conducted Olympics or summer Olympics or leap year games, winter Olympic games and youth Olympic games? IOC full form International Olympic Committee. IOC full form International Olympic Committee. IOC established on 23rd of June 1894 at Paris City, France. So IOC established it on 23rd of June 1894 at Paris City, France. Okay. So present headquarters of IOC, Lausanne City, Switzerland. LAUSANNE. Lausanne City, Switzerland. Present how many membership countries in IOC? Come and tell me, students. At present how many membership countries IOC? How many bones in human body? 206. How many membership countries IOC? 206. How many bones in human body? Come and tell me. 206. How many membership countries IOC? 206. Same. Okay. Who is the present and the 9th president of IOC? Who is the present and 9th president of IOC? Come and tell me. Present and 9th president of IOC, Thomas Bach. THOMAS, Thomas BACH Bach. Thomas Bach belongs to which country? Thomas Bach belongs to which country? Come and tell me, students. Germany. Okay. Thomas Bach belongs to which country? Germany. Okay. Who is the first president of IOC? Who is the first president of IOC? Dimitrios, DHIMITRIYAS. Dimitrios Vikelas. Dimitrios Vikelas belongs to Greece. Okay. Who is the first president of IOC? Dimitrios Vikelas. He belongs to which country? Greece. Okay. He belongs to which country? Greece. Who is the present and 9th president of IOC? Thomas Bach. Belongs to which country?
Germany.
When is celebrating World Olympic Day? 23rd of June. Every year we are celebrating June 23rd World Olympic Day. Okay, students. When is celebrating World Olympic Day? Every year June 23rd. What is the theme of World Olympic Day? Celebrating on 23rd of June 2025.